Hello guys, welcome back on this new YouTube video. I'm gonna upload this also on my Instagram page, just because there's a lot of people that follow me on Instagram and they can find this video useful. So on this video I'm talking how as a freelance you can manage and save your money. So I've done like a small presentation. What I do normally is this. I have got a personal account, as you can see, and I've got also a business account. So what happened on my personal account, I use that one just for my basic expense for normal life. So I don't know, pay mortgage or pay rent, electricity, gas, all that kind of stuff. On my business account is only for my business. So there is all the expenses regarding my business, from the travel, from food if I'm working outside, I don't know, buy a new laptop for working, buy a car for work, anything that is related to business. So let's say that at the end of the month, right, you get paid from all your invoice. As we know, mainly all the freelance get paid 30 days after that they send invoice, so there is maybe someone that is lucky they can pay the day after. But on this case, I'm gonna show you how I do, and I'm gonna do like a general case. Let's say that you get paid your invoice 30 days after that you send invoice to your client. So what I do at the end of the month, I need to say actually that I use a software that is called Freelancer. It's easy software. I'm gonna link a discount code on the description of the video if you wanna use it. So what you can do on the software, you can put all your invoice and you can do also your tax return, and you can link your free agent account to your bank account. It means that every time they use your card, your expense will be tracked on your software, on your free agent account, and you can also take a picture of your receipt, so you don't need to at the end of the year take a picture or like check all the receipt that you have, make sure that you have all in the right place for the right months. So what I do, I've got like a folder like this, and where inside I've got all the receipt months by months, as you can see. So and I keep a copy of the physical receipt on this folder, and I do also a picture of the receipt that will be attached to the software. So I've got literally tracking of all the invoice. If you don't want to do that every time that you do an expense, you can also just keep all your receipt, as I do, in a small tiny folder like this. You can carry in your bag. So what I do, I carry one of these on my bag, so every time that I do any expense, if I don't want to take a picture or if I don't have got time to take a picture, I just put everything on this bag. And the end of the month, I just take a picture of everything and I will attach all the receipt to the software. Back to our saving. Let's say that you get your total income, right? And let's say that you make £3,000. On that £3,000, what you do, you will take the 20 or 25% as a tax. What you do, you open another account on your main account, with your business account, and you will open like a small account when you say, I don't know, I just call it tax account. On the tax account, you will put every month 20 or 25%, it's up to you. I do the 20%, but you can do the 25% of your income needs to go on your tax, because at the end of the year, when will be the time to pay your tax, you don't go crazy and say, oh, I don't have got the money for pay my tax. So in this case, you save every month your money for pay your tax. So when will be the time to pay your tax return, you don't need to care, because your money will be already saved. And after that, what you do, you take your total income minus your tax, and you will have your total income after tax. So the next step is this. On your total income after tax, you need to take off your business expense, because you spend money for your business, and that's an expense. So let's say you can call this cash flow if you want to call it, but it's like an amount of money that you will have always on your business account. So what I normally do, I say, okay, this month I think that I spend £400. right, so I'm gonna take £400 and I'm gonna leave these £400 on the business account. So next month, if I need to pay anything, I will have a bit of cash flow on my account. So the next step is pension. So what I normally do, I open up an account, pension account, just because it's always good to have got a pension. And this is a private pension, and this called, I don't know if you can see here, it's called Scottish Windows. They offer a good plan, especially if you're a freelance. And what I do, I take the 8% every month of my income, and I'm gonna put this 8% on my pension. So I just take the money, I don't know, it's £200, and I do straight on my account. I've got account with Lloyds Bank, and it's so easy. And just move the money on the pension account, and that's it. So it's like just a normal transfer of money. Next step. So I have got an app that's called Moneybox. And through this app, I've got open an account that's called Stock and Share ISA. I put the 2% of my income on this Stock and Share ISA. It's just because I like to do this kind of investment. I trade also different stock, but that's another video. Actually, if you want to know more about, leave a comment below and ask me, and I will try to do another video. But yeah, so I've got, let's say, I call this saving. But I've got also a saving account that I will show you later. But I like to put apart like the 2% of my income just to have a bit of safety and invest a bit of money. That's always good. Next step, I have got also a saving account. I open up a saving account with Moneybox as well. Actually, it is called 95. It's called 95 saving account. It means that you get a bit of high rates as an interest, because you can take the money after 95, sorry, and after 95 days that you request the money. That's the only limitation. But if you want to get a bit of high rates, you need to pay something back in any way. So that's the way that you get a bit of high rates. It's good. I have got the saving account because I want to make sure that if something happened during the year, I've got something saved. I don't know if I need to fix my car, or I need to fix something in the house, or I need to fix something for, I don't know, I need to buy something like a laptop gets broken, I need to buy a laptop because I need a laptop for work. I've got this saving account. What I do at the end of the year, I take the 50% of my saving account and I invest this 50% on my Stock and Share ISA. And I'm gonna keep the other 50% for the next year, and that will be for year. That's it. And the end is the 85% that is left is a fixed cost, that is called it. I call it fixed cost, but it's the cost that you need for survive, for live. So I don't know, buy food for yourself, go out with your friends, pay mortgage, pay rental, or pay, I don't know, bills, anything that you need to pay that is outside your expense for your work. You just put on this fixed cost. And what I do, I take this 85% and I move on my personal account, because I've got all like direct debit and everything, and I can pay anything that I need to pay. I have created a spreadsheet where literally I need to put how much I make for months, and literally my spreadsheet does everything for me. And what I do, I just need to spend 15 minutes maybe to just transfer the money at the end of the month on a different account and make sure that everything is how it should be, and that's it. So you can make this spreadsheet quite easy if you want, but if you wanna that I send you a copy or anything, just leave a comment below, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to build one with you and do a video when I show you how I build like a spreadsheet like this. So that's it. That's the video of this week. Let me know if you have got any comments, or if you like the video, just like the video and subscribe to the channel to have more of this kind of stuff. And yeah, thank you for watching.